Assalamualaikum students, as we read in previous class about the vertebrates, today we are going to learn invertebrates means animals which have no backbone. Okay, so all these are invertebrates, and invertebrates include protozoa, sponges, corals, worms, insects, mollusks, and echinoderms. Protozoa are the unicellular organism which includes amoeba, paramecium, and euglena. This is amoeba, paramecium, and euglena. Okay. Next is sponges, which include cycon. These are multicellular organism, means they are having more than one cell. They are having porous body, means उनकी बॉडी के ऊपर डिफरेंट पोर्स होंगे. Okay, water can easily pass through their body because of these pores. This is sponges and cycon. Corals means jellyfish. Okay, they live in sea. They have hard skeleton due to calcium carbonate, and they can catch fish using stinging cells on their tentacles, means they are having the body to have tentacles like thread like structure. By using those tentacles, stinging cells, they can catch the fish. Worms, earthworm, and leech, they have segmented body, means their body is divided into different segments. They found everywhere. And worms do not have lungs. They breathe through skin. In they don't have lungs, they breathe through what? Through their skin. Look, this is leech and earthworm. Insects, which include butterflies, ants, and beetles, their body is covered with hard layer called chitin. The body are having a hard layer called chitin. They have 6 legs, and their body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. These are the pictures of insects, beetle. Mollusks include snail and octopus. They are sea animals, and they have hard shell around their body for their protection. Okay, look at the picture of a snail. Next and the last one is echinoderms, which include starfish and sea cucumber. They're found in sea water. They can regenerate their body parts, as you have read in previous lesson that the starfish can regenerate their body parts, means if their body part is cut down, they can regrow that part. They live on sea floor. This is the picture of starfish and sea cucumber. That's it. Thank you.